Hi, this is Dean from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07 3848 1382. Today we have a June 1997 95 Series Toyota Prado. Stock number 4004. This shape runs from the 7th month 1996 till the 7th month 1999. There's a 3.4 petrol engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 3.4 litre petrol 5 VZ FE engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left hand front. Here we have the bonnet. Has a couple of dents but nothing too bad. Black grille. Left hand headlight in good condition. Moving to the front. Left hand black electric door mirror. Left hand front door, couple of dents in it, still in good condition. Left hand rear door, once again it's in good condition. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch rims. This is the left hand rear with a good tyre. Here we have the left hand tail light. Rear bar has a few scuffs in it, but it's still in okay condition. We have the tow bar, comes complete with all your fittings, brackets, bolts and wiring loom. Right hand tail light. Right hand rear 16-inch factory rim with good tyre. Right hand rear door, few dents in it, still in good condition. Right hand front door, good private door with a few dents. Here we have the right hand black electric mirror. Right hand guard with flare. Right hand front 16-inch factory rim with good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with the factory grey cloth interior. There's your console lid with your consoles and automatic transmission shifter. There's your factory single stack CD player. Left hand sun visor, interior mirror. Right hand sun visor. Here's the grey vinyl 3-spoke steering wheel. Comes without the airbag cover and horn pad. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Dean from Total Parts Plus.